Most people know Saladin as a warrior. Few know his greatest weapon was wisdom. Not the clash of swords, not the roar of battle, but the discipline of his mind and the clarity of his heart. Today, we uncover the 10 principles that made Saladin unstoppable, and how they can help you conquer your own battles in life, love, and purpose. The man behind the legend. Saladin was no ordinary general. He united a divided world, inspired respect even from his enemies, and became a symbol of honor and mercy. His strength didn't come from sheer force, but from living by a code. And that code can still guide us, 8 centuries later. Rule number 1, control yourself before you control others. Saladin believed true leadership starts within. He was known for his self-control, refusing excess, staying humble even in victory. In a world that glorifies reaction and outrage, Saladin reminds us that power begins with restraint. Rule number 2, lead with mercy, not fear. When Saladin retook Jerusalem, he didn't slaughter the city's inhabitants. He offered them safe passage. Mercy made him stronger, not weaker. In your own life, choose mercy. It builds allies where fear only builds walls. Rule number 3, never stop learning. Saladin was a student of strategy, philosophy, and faith. He knew every battle is first fought in the mind. For us, this means staying curious, turning every failure into a lesson, every setback into training. Rule number 4, unite before you fight. Saladin didn't just fight crusaders, he first had to unite his own people. Victory in life often means rallying your own inner world, aligning your habits, goals, and priorities before you take on the world outside. Rule number 5, play the long game. He planned campaigns for months, even years. Saladin teaches us patience, that not every fight is won in a day. Your dreams, too, require strategy, not just speed. Rule number 6, respect your enemy. Saladin famously sent his enemy Richard the Lionheart medicine when he fell ill. Respect isn't weakness, it's a sign of strength. When we respect our challenges, we rise to meet them at our best. Rule number 7, stand for something bigger. Saladin fought not just for power, but for faith, justice, and unity. Find your own higher purpose. Because when the cause is bigger than you, you'll keep going when others quit. Rule number 8, stay calm in the storm. Even when surrounded by enemies, Saladin stayed composed. He teaches us that in chaos, calmness is the ultimate weapon. Rule number 9, be generous in victory. His generosity after battle earned him respect that lasted centuries. Your wins in life are not just for you, they're a chance to inspire, to give back, to lift others. Rule number 10, keep the faith. Through triumph and defeat, Saladin never wavered in his faith. Whatever your belief system, hold on to it. It will guide you when the path gets dark. Saladin's real victory wasn't over castles or kings, it was over himself. His legacy reminds us that true power comes from wisdom, discipline, and purpose. The wars you fight might not be on a battlefield, but they are no less real. And you, too, can become victorious. Which ancient leader's wisdom do you want to learn next? Leave a comment, and let's explore it together. Thank you so much for watching.